Hi everyone, I am Vamsi from Sir CRD College of Engineering. Today I want to share my experiences on the participation of 14 days national level boot camp on career building with Python, which is organized by Codegnan. And coming to the point, first of all I want to sincerely thank the team who have organized this boot camp in a very successful and a well organized manner in an extraordinary way. And coming to the bootcamp sessions, in those 7 days, the topics which we have learned are different, but they can be implemented through a single programming language, Python. And it also helps the students who have passion in Python. And finally, I want to conclude my experience by congratulating Sheikh Jasmine, where she is studying the 7th standard and also submitted a project in this bootcamp. I wish her a very good luck in her future. Thank you.